April 17th is the relaunch of Smith Nature Park Fairy Garden in Upper Arlington. To make a fairy house, you will need a structure. You can get that structure at a Michael's or something organic like a stump. Please do not use a cardboard or something that will disintegrate outside. For some examples for supplies, buttons, pebbles, tile, sea glass, shells, and these are beans. Here are some examples. As a reminder, they can be any size. This one has some more ideas. So, and if you want, there will also be some sticks and other shapes made out of wood. You can paint. There will be some glitter materials, and the glue gun a glue gun is the best material to use to glue. Like I glued these on with the glue gun because it won't come off as easier. Although if you do use one, please have an adult with you. Smith Nature Park is divided by a bridge. Please place your fairy house on the east side of the bridge, closest to Kenny Road. Can't wait to see everyone's fairy creations.